Hey guys, Minecrafters TV here with finally episode 1 of my Cosmic Creepy Factions. Today I'm going to be starting my series off on Cosmic Planet. Sure. And I'm sorry, but I'll be lagging a little bit this episode. I don't know why. I wasn't having any lag early in the day today. That's weird. Okay, anyways, let's just hop right into this and get our first kit. Here we go. And now I can't decide. Should we sell this? If we do sell this, we can get enough money to get a spawner. That would make us rich, maybe. I don't know. Nah, I'll just stay here. I think this lagging will go when we go to the wilderness, because there are a lot of people here. Okay, oh come on. That was simple. Okay, that's not so bad. Okay, not so bad. It should be so. Okay, now that's good. But there's something good. We should. I'll just put this in here right now for safekeeping. All this stuff in here. Yep. Now let's start our journey. Is the ocean nearby? Please be. Wait. First, let's see if there's a claim base here. Yep, but it's a really small one. I think that base would be abandoned. So that's good. Because it only had like one chunk claim. And I'm sure people wouldn't come here. Wait, this isn't Warp Swarm, I think. Maybe they would, maybe they wouldn't. Should we jump from here? Where do we go? What kind of place should we make our base in? Oh, and also if you guys do give me support, a lot of support on this series, my dad will probably be getting me like the first strength for this. That would be pretty useful. Wait, I think that's the ocean. Oh, come on. We'll just keep traveling. Just keep traveling. And also keep lagging along the way. I want to check out that abandoned faction thing. Oh, there's another faction here. PG SWAT Boys. Let's check that out. Where is it? Oh my god, I never even saw it. This was reinforced iron just made of rivets. Oh my god, guys. Oh my. That has to go for safekeeping. Don't let anything happen to it. Oopsie. I think we're close to that other base. Yep, here it is. But this is still claimed. Still claimed. No. This place has been claimed by Fireball. I need to find some like white. It's on my hotel, but this is Fireball's base in here. How do we get in here? I don't think I want to read right now. Nah. Just keep trying a little bit. Wait. Yeah, this is all claimed by Fireball. Not just one chunk, so it doesn't really matter. Ow, that took a lot of damage. I need feather falling. Nah, just leave it. Oh, it's this place. Should I do my base here? Wait, the ocean! I found the ocean. Yes, I found the place where I'm gonna make my base. Over here. Ocean, oh come on. Wait, I think that's just the sky. I don't think... Holy crabs. What the this water bucket would have been useful. Should we go there? Wait, I think we should. I think our base would be perfect here. Perfect. Yep. I know where I'm gonna make my base. In a place where you can do risky jumps. Or you have to do risky jumps. Okay, this place is perfect for my base. Perfect. And I think I'm gonna start in here. There we go. This is where my base is gonna be. Oh yeah, you forgot the main thing. Create, what should I name this? Mine triggers. That's too much. Yeah, there we go. Hey, I got a new base. Okay. Now I'm going to set mirrors. Oh, I need to clean this place first. How deep am I? 39, that's not deep. It's not even deep. It's kind of deep. Not that. Wait, should I do a sky base? Should I do a sky base? Sky bases are easier to find for raiders. Nah, I'm just the regular old-fashioned way. Is the lava coming to eat us? There we go. Perfect. Wait, what? I think I made this piece a little too big for my base. Yep. I know I find something really fun for us to do after we're done with this boring mining stuff. I hate mining. And my pickaxe is gonna break so much. This is turning out to be so good. People, so good. Oh, you can ally me too if you want to. If you play on Cosmic Planet. What planet was I playing on again? I forgot. How much mining left? Yes, not so much. The pickaxe is gonna break, so we should be done with the mining first. And the pickaxe broke right now. Yep, it broke. Oh, I never got to open these. Oh my god, that's so useful. But it has 55% chance to destroy your weapon. Okay, that was useful. What's that? Protects durability items will take longer to break. Okay, we would really need that. Now definitely focusing on our main goal for now. Making another pick. Here we go. And guess what we're gonna do right after we're done mining? Now, first of all, we're just gonna claim this place. And grab that stuff. Wait, guys, I just need to check something real quick. Okay, I think I should end my series here now. I mean, my series, I think I should end my episode here now because I can't do that long episodes right now. Plus have a good channel, okay? So this is what we're going to be doing for the next episode. We're going to be finishing off this base, and then you'll see the fun part. You'll just see the fun part. Okay? Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please consider leaving a like and subscribing my channel if you want to join Team Diamond, Team Mine Creepers. I copied that off of Dan, didn't I? Yes, I did. And see you guys again next time.